Welcome to the SUITMATE Swimsuit Water Extractor Timer Replacement video. This video has been created to help you replace the timer in your SUITMATE unit safely and correctly. Step 1. Remove the SUITMATE unit from the wall mount bracket. Disconnect any plumbing and electrical connections and remove the unit from its wall mounting. With access to the backside of the unit, unscrew the two machine screws to expose the timer. Place the screws aside for reassembly at the end of the video. Step 2. Remove the timer. Carefully loosen the two nuts that secure the timer in place. Proceed to remove the two nuts, the two lock washers, and the 4 nylon spacers. Set these pieces aside for reassembly at the end of the video. Next, gently pull the timer from the mounting studs. Step 3. Replace the timer. Set the new timer on the mounting studs before disconnecting the existing timer. Replace the 4 spacers, 2 lock washers, and 2 nuts that were previously removed. Be sure not to over-tighten the nuts. Next, remove the wires one at a time. Match the configuration of the old timer for the replacement timer. Begin with connection number 3 in the upper left corner. Then, rewire connection number 4 located directly next to number 3. Next, rewire connection number 2 in the bottom right corner. Ignore connection 22 just above it. Connect the final white wire to connection number 1 in the bottom left corner. Replace the timer box cover and secure it in place with the 2 screws set aside at the beginning of the video. Step 4. Remount the SUITMATE unit. Return the SUITMATE unit to its proper location and reconnect all utilities. Test the SUITMATE unit by putting a wet swimsuit in the unit according to the instructions on the underside of the lid. Your timer replacement is now complete, and the SUITMATE unit is ready for customer use. Thank you for watching this instructional video. Please refer to the full maintenance manual at suitmate.com for further details.